Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to set the lock screen on your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro. Alright, you see the right hand side, there's a button right there. So later we're going to press on that, and then if you look at your left hand side, there's a volume, the bottom one. I put a circle on it. That's what we're going to hit later, okay? So what you're going to do at the same time, the right hand button and the bottom one, hold it, press on it at the same time. Blow. You see the screen locked? Easy peasy, right? Let me unlock this. Let me put my pin. So we're gonna use the one hand technique. So you're gonna put your thumb on the bottom of the volume and the middle finger or your index, and then hit it at the same time. That we locked up. Alright? Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to add something up, hit the comment down below, hit like. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.